But we got everything done but that I know of anyway, but electricity. So let's work on it, engine wise and other. Now before I get any comments in there, I don't have any black wire, but I have blue. So I have red, white, and blue, and I'm going to use those because there's only like 6 wires, and I really don't care. So I'm just kind of making this up as I go. And that's what we're going to do. We're just going to kind of wing it, what wire needs to go where. So, I mean, I have a basic diagram or whatever, but we're going to try to see what we can do. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do some wiring. So the first thing I want to look at here, because we have the starter switch, and as I'm sure you've noticed, it's been converted to 12 volts. So, but I want to see where these wires come from, see where this wire comes from, and just get a general idea of what's going on underneath this situation here. So let's expose all the wires before we decide how we're going to run new ones. Snips off there. This one attached to the starter, attached to this. Got this dark blue here, this black one. So this blue here ran to the... Okay, so the dark blue and this green one ran nowhere. Or this white one here. So the white one was the one that they were using. Over there for now. For the alternator. So the alt, and this green one was just hanging out. And the blue one, I think was supposed to go from alternator to the amp gauge. Okay, so that was the amp meter. And then this ran straight to the start switch. They're fairly simple. These ones are easy. This one's easy. Turn to the distributor. And this one we're just going to kind of make up. I gotta find this bolt real quick. I can't remember where I left it. I think I know where it is. Because I've got this one. So we'll do this one first. What do I do with my brush? Sick. That looks sweet. Damn. Yeah. That'll run some juice. Some wire ridge there. There's our light and our exciter. Oh, set wiring diagram again. Cable's still in good shape, so we're going to use it. Okay, so let's run here. 10. Okay, so there's that. Charging cable to the amp meter. Got the exciter. Got that. This runs back here. This one up there. Let's see what else we gotta run. Water pump cable. There's some ties there. Linking in the cable here. And here. So we got the oil. And okay, we just gotta figure out the rest of that. And then we gotta get there and there and there. Okay. Wiring diagram. So we got 10 here. So we're going to range from positive. Okay, so we want to use it. So it goes to battery. There, right there. Oops, it's there. You know what? It's goddamn light. Did that a little longer than it needed to be. Let's see. So we got battery, ignition. I don't want to do it in 14, so I guess we're going to keep using red. Need points are good. I've been using some lube. I don't know. Oh, get new ones now. They're brittle. Point itself, huh? Okay. Mexico. Mexico. Boom, baby. This to get a new one of these. You know, I may have one actually, but that will be for tomorrow.
2,000 years later.
So I forgot and got distracted like always, and I forgot to wrap everything up and just kind of show how the wiring came out on old Turd. So if you come over here and take a look, I'll show you how it ended up. So I went through and I did everything in here, but I didn't replace the distributor. It does need rebuilt, and it does, move a little bit. So I can't get the idle absolute perfect, but it's got all the electrical components inside. New wires, new coil, new situation, and the starter's original. New starter wire, new these obviously. And then when I first plugged everything in, the starter switch lit on fire. So I got a brand new starter switch, and I'm reusing the ground and the power cable because they were in good shape. But just to protect it, I bought this breaker to help keep fires from happening again. But everything's wired up here. Got an ignition switch now, and all new gauges. All the gauges have lights to them, but I'm not doing that because, why would I? And then, yeah, I got all new gauges. All the gauges are working good. Alternator's working good. This is the battery light. We got the new alternator and all its wires. We got the jumper wires, power. The ground, I ground it, just straight to the frame there. And ran everything nice and clean up through the top. This little wire here is for the temperature gauge. And then we also have the wire here that runs to the oil pressure gauge. But that's it's not really a wire. But yeah, so everything came out pretty darn good. It's very, fairly simple wiring. So I just used shit I had on the bench. So everything's kind of the same color, but we're holding water, we're holding charge, we're charging a battery now. Everything works good. Let's just put it to work now, and get this bad boy back on the trail, I guess. It's not really a road. We are going to grade a road, though. So, yeah, let's get it to work. Come on, buddy. Cool. And I'll keep you all updated on this if you like and subscribe, and you can keep a handle on all of Turd's adventures. I know he's not a long-range adventurer, but he's going to do a lot of stuff around the old homestead. So yeah, just like and subscribe that, and keep you updated.